Hey friends, if you wish to enable reader mode in Google Chrome on desktop, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So if you open Chrome, you'll notice a lot of white light in the background. Okay, let me show you. Go to google.com and see there's a lot of white light in the background. So this is not apt for readers, though for browsing it is good. But if you want to read, click on these three dots at the top right corner and then you can select this option called More Tools and then select reading mode. Okay, and then you can also change the text and font here. So it isn't available on this page because there's nothing here as such. But let's say that we go to a page where we have a lot of text. Let's say we go to Geek Champ website. Okay, so you'll notice that you will be able to access the reading mode here. Reading mode. Okay, we'll click on this and now it's in the reading mode when we see text. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.